Get ready for the dictation. On the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Technology has brought numerous benefits to society, but it has also contributed to unemployment in India. Here are some ways in which technology is causing unemployment in India. Automation. Automation is rapidly replacing manual jobs, especially in the manufacturing sector. Automated machines are faster, more efficient, and more reliable than human workers, which leads to job losses. For example, the use of robots in the automobile industry has led to a reduction in employment opportunities for people who work in assembly lines. Outsourcing. Many Indian companies are outsourcing their work to other countries with lower labor costs. For example, call centers, software development, and customer service jobs are being outsourced to countries like the Philippines, Vietnam, and China, where labor costs are much lower. Online marketplaces. Online marketplaces such as Amazon, Flipkart, and Big Basket are rapidly taking over the traditional retail market. This shift has led to the closure of many small bricks and mortar shops and the loss of jobs associated with them. Gig economy. The gig economy has enabled people to work independently, but it has also led to a reduction in formal employment opportunities. Many people are now working as freelancers or independent contractors, which has led to a decrease in stable long-term jobs with benefits. Artificial intelligence. Advances in artificial intelligence and machine learning are leading to the development of intelligent machines that can perform complex tasks with minimal human intervention. This development is likely to result in job losses in sectors such as healthcare, legal services, and customer service. Overall, technology is causing unemployment in India in various ways, and the government and other stakeholders must find ways to address this issue. The solution lies in providing education and training to workers so that they can acquire the skills needed to succeed in a technologically driven job market, as well as encouraging the development of new industries and the creation of new jobs. India has been grappling with a high unemployment rate for a long time. According to the Center for Monitoring Indian Economy (CMIE), the country's unemployment rate reached an all-time high of 7.2% in 2019. However, the pandemic has made the situation worse, with many people losing their jobs or being forced to take pay cuts. One of the major reasons for unemployment in India is the impact of technology on the job market. One of the most significant impacts of technology on employment in India has been automation. The automation of several industries and businesses has significantly reduced the demand for human labor. The manufacturing industry has been particularly affected, with many tasks being automated, which has led to a reduction in the number of jobs available for people. For instance, automated machines have replaced human workers in factories, resulting in lower operational costs and increased productivity. While automation brings efficiency and cost savings, it comes at the expense of jobs. The rise of the gig economy has also contributed to unemployment in India. The gig economy comprises independent workers who work on a project or task basis. It provides a flexible and agile work model for businesses and employees, but it has resulted in many workers being employed on a contractual basis rather than as full-time employees. The lack of job security and benefits has caused concern for many Indian workers, leading to a decline in formal employment. The gig economy has also led to underemployment where workers are overqualified for their jobs, which has led to underutilization of human capital. Another significant factor contributing to unemployment in India is outsourcing. Many Indian companies have outsourced their work to other countries with lower labor costs. This is especially common in the IT and software development sectors where companies hire workers from countries like the Philippines, Vietnam, and China. Outsourcing has led to a decline in job opportunities for Indian workers, leading to unemployment and underemployment. Artificial intelligence (AI) is another factor contributing to unemployment in India. AI-powered systems are increasingly being used to perform tasks that were previously done by humans. For example, chatbots are replacing human customer service representatives, and automated systems are being used to perform data entry tasks. The use of AI technology is expected to grow, which will further reduce the demand for human labor in several industries. While AI brings numerous benefits such as efficiency and cost savings, it poses a significant threat to jobs in several sectors. The online marketplace has also contributed to unemployment in India. E-commerce platforms such as Amazon, Flipkart, and Big Basket have transformed the retail sector, and many small brick and mortar shops have been forced to shut down due to competition from these platforms. The closure of traditional retail shops has led to a decline in job opportunities for people working in these shops. The rise of e-commerce has also led to the emergence of a new breed of workers such as delivery executives and warehouse workers who are usually paid lower wages with no job security or benefits. Despite the challenges posed by technology on employment in India, it also presents significant opportunities. The growth of the IT and software development sectors has created numerous job opportunities for people with relevant skills. The rise of entrepreneurship has also led to the emergence of many small and medium-sized businesses which have created employment opportunities for people. The Indian government has also launched several initiatives to promote entrepreneurship and job creation in various sectors, which could help alleviate the unemployment problem in the country. In conclusion, technology is one of the major causes of unemployment in India. Automation, outsourcing, the gig economy, AI, and the online marketplace have all contributed to job losses in various sectors. However, it also represents significant opportunities for job creation in other sectors. The government and other stakeholders must take proactive steps to address the challenges posed by technology on employment and take advantage of the opportunities it presents. Measures such as providing education,